Hey, you guys, look at me. I'm vacation ready. Let me tell you, okay, I am vacation ready. Hi faves, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon, and good night. As you guys can see, I am vacation ready. Check it. Let me give you the top view right now because I'm just loving the top view. And I know you guys will be asking, Mel, where you got the deeds? Where you got these? Alright, so these, bear with me, my voice just coming back, okay? But I have to give you all the juiciness, so let's get right into it. These earrings and glasses is from a small business owner. She's a Jamaican and her website is called Style and Glam. I'll spell it out for you right here and I'll leave the link down below in the description, and you can always go and follow her on Instagram also at Style and Glam. I'll also put those details down below so you guys can go and follow her. And if you guys want to purchase any of these earrings or glasses, you can use discount code MEL10 to get 10% off. Go and support her. She's a small business owner. She's a Jamaican. Regardless of where she's from, you guys go and support. Small business owner, you can't go wrong. She's at Instagram at Style and Glam Accessories, and it's at STYLENGLAMACCESSORIES. Go and follow Style and Glam on Instagram. And if you're not on Instagram, you can go and at the website at the link down below, or type in Style and Glam, but the Glam is with 1M, accessories.com. so go ahead and purchase your glasses and earring, and she have a lot of different accessories over there. Like I said, big up yourself, Style and Glam, for getting your girl ready for vacation. Now you guys, we are ready for vacation. I'm about to head out, the family is about to head out. We're drip and we're ready. We're not doing we are about to go and head out to our first stop. If you guys have no idea what is this vacation so hyped about for us, is because we'll be doing a road trip for 4 weeks. 4 weeks, yes, you heard that right. We'll be stopping in different places, in different locations across France, and then we'll be jumping to Netherlands and to Belgium, and we'll be just touring for 4 weeks. It will be Tyler's birthday while we're on this vacation. It will be Babe's birthday while we're on this vacation, and we're just gonna have a lovely time. Yes, put it down, Papa, come in. So we are so looking forward to this vacation, and we are so ready to just enjoy the tour and enjoy the journey. Now I'm going to go ahead and pack the car with Babe. I'm gonna pick Sarah up. I'm gonna take off my glasses. Also gonna take off my earring because it's a bit much for me packing the car right now. So I'm gonna change into something else, but I had to show you guys this earring and glasses real quick before I go, because I didn't want to forget to not show you guys and not tell you guys where they're from. Anyway, you guys will see me in them at some other point throughout this vacation. So give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, and do not miss a beat throughout this amazing vacation that we are going on right now. Catch up and keep up, and of course you guys will see the entire fam bam. Who you guys think you're gonna see first right now? Look how handsome she is. Yes, baby.
I'm nice.
You're always nice.
You know why you're nice?
Why you're nice?
Because I'm going to give you 100 euros.
Alright, keep that 100 euro and give it to me later, okay? Say hello to the faves. Alright, I soon come and you give it to me. Can you say hello to the faves?
One, my youth.
You're looking super handsome.
Yeah.
You me there at me yard.
Me there at me yard.
And where you go? Where you go right now?
Penny vacation.
Yeah, go on vacation. Alright, you gonna have fun? High five to having fun on vacation. Alright, my youth. Alright. I have to keep this down. You guys, we are well on our way. I don't know if you guys can see me properly, but we're on this drive to the first stop of today, which is going to be Avignon. So throughout these 4 weeks, we'll be stopping at different points throughout the journey. So first stop is Avignon, and we will be in Avignon just for like a day and a half, and then moving right along to the next stop. So how is the drive going, husband? Good.
It's going well for now.
Let's pray it continue to go well the entire time. Sarah is around here always munching. Tyler is sleeping on and off. There he is. But yeah, we're on our way to stop number 1 with the fam bam. Look at Sarah. They have food. Styling in my style and glam glasses. Hi guys, so we are finally at our first stop after 3 hours drive. We reached to my brother-in-law. There he is. We are at my brother-in-law. We'll be here until
In the morning?
a day,
Yeah.
1 night, no, 2 nights, 1
yeah.
day, 2 nights, 1 day.
No.
Yeah, 2 nights, 1 day.
3 days, 2 nights. Because it's today, tomorrow, and
Sunday morning we are gone. But I'm only saying 1 full day. 1 full day, which is tomorrow. But then tomorrow is another day. You'll see what we'll be doing tomorrow. So we're just here spending time with the family tonight, this evening. Sarah is roaming her uncle on. Ever since she got here, she's been saying tonton. Tonton means uncle in French. She find a ball. Look at this big pool that he have in his backyard. Tell I'll have a field trip. Put her down. Put her down there.
no. Hold on, I'm going to go from here.
Tonton cooking. Tu fais quoi, Monsieur Delaveaus? Hmm?
Fait le poulet.
Okay, he already did.
Oui.
Okay, so he's washing it now. He did chicken on the grill. She's washing it. He's washing it. Look at Sarah in the backyard. Hmm? You going inside?
Yeah.
Why? So why you don't put on
I
repellent?
put the repellent everywhere. They keep biting me.
Sarah, look behind you. Look. Look. Look there. Look behind you. Look. Look. Sarah, look at the cat. Cat. Meow. She didn't see him. Cats. Meow. Cats. Go get the cats. Say hello, cat. Meow. Oh, meow. And of course, you guys know that whenever Tyler is here, Tyler don't have no business with me or his papa or his sister. He completely forget us. So he's upstairs playing with his cousin. He's just playing. He's in his playing glory. So Tyler is upstairs having a ball. But we are about to go and have dinner right now. and then just relax and chill for the rest of the evening with the fam bam and chat and catch up and stuff like that. So today we're not doing any activity, but since we just reached here, which is right now is about 15 minutes before 9, we got here about 8 o'clock. Yeah, so that's what's up right now. So we are in a city called Carpenter. Carpenter is close to Avignon, where Babe was born and grew up all his life. So that's where we are. There's nothing really much in this city to do because it's a little city, but Avignon have a lot of history and a lot of historic sites and stuff like that. Don't know if we'll be able to do any of that with the one day that we'll be here for, because I think we're gonna dedicate tomorrow to something else, but tomorrow speaks for itself. But anyway, enjoy the rest of today's vlog, and make sure you give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you're new to the family. Hi little miss, you're having fun down there. What you doing? Yay. Wash. That's a pool. That's a pool. No. You can't go in there. No. You're searching for ball. Come. You coming?
Vas-y, monte.
Good job. Where you going? You going inside? Go on. Ouais.
La selfie du gang Delaveaus.
Bah, vous êtes deux, oui, quoi que remarque, oui.
Non, mais en tout, regarde,
il y en a qu'une.
toi, Jules et Noam, il n'y a que des garçons.
Ça va, monsieur?
Selfie, ça va.
Jules, les
Chilling with your brother?
Tu es allé regarder
No, not yet. Chilling with your brother?
Jules, on mange comment là?
running away from the mosquitoes.
You guys know that Babe and mosquitoes are no friends at all. He was outside and he run cup. Oh no! Her ball gone under the couch. Oh, see there, come back. You guys, of course, the chefing in the kitchen, and that's dinner. Yummy green beans and chicken, so good, and puree. Tyler is eating. Yummy, Tyler. Look at Tyler. Puree yummy. Give Tonton the carrot. Go. She played with her uncle. Give him the carrot. Go. Go, give it. Give it.
Non, mais moi, le don que j'avais donné à mon père.
Give it, Sarah. Give it to Tonton. Give it to Tonton. Give Tonton high five.
En dessert, j'ai crème.
High five.
Sinon, je peux couper de la pastèque.
High five. Pastèque.
Pas pour moi.
Pas beaucoup, hein?
Oui.
You guys, it's after 9 and look at this little firecracker. Still up and popping.
Pour Mélissa et
Ooh,
pour Manon.
Messi.
Toi aussi, toi?
Manon always sitting right.
Mange la pastèque,
Give me
toi.
all the fruits and veggies. Yeah.
Paraît que ça, c'est un des meilleurs fruits.
Let's go find the boys and see what they're doing.
C'est on appelle ça un Hugo, hein.
Non, mais je réfléchis à envoyer Tyler avec Jules, tu vois, je le mets à Londres,
The stairs we go.
Il n'y a pas d'arrière.
À moi. Oh, mais c'est ma pizza.
Oh. Qu'est-ce que ça change? So this is where we'll be for the night. Hi guys, so I'm just coming on to end today's vlog real quick. Everybody's gone to bed without me. I am the only one still up, finishing up editing. Baby's gone to bed, Sarah's gone to bed, Tyler's gone to bed, and I'm about to head to bed. We're at my brother-in-law and we'll be here until tomorrow, full day into the following day. So we'll be here for another day, just spending time with the in-laws, and then we'll head off to the real adventure begins. So hopefully you guys enjoy the journey as it begins today. If you did enjoy the little bits that you saw, give it a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you're new.